In this video, you'll learn how to change your Notion cover image using a GIF. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully customized your Notion page with a dynamic cover image that reflects your style. Begin by navigating to the Notion website, open your preferred web browser, and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features options to sign in or create an account if you do not already have one. Next, sign into your Notion account if prompted, enter your email address and password, then click on the sign in button. After successfully logging in, your Notion workspace will appear, displaying your existing pages. Select a page where you want to add a cover image. You can do this by clicking on the desired page from your sidebar. Once the page opens, you will see its content in the main workspace area, ready for editing. After that, click on any blank space at the top of your page. This action will reveal additional options and settings. You should notice a subtle change in the interface indicating that you can now modify the page settings. Click on the Add Cover option that appears. This will prompt a new menu to open, showing different options for adding a cover image. You should see choices such as change cover, upload, and link. Now, select the change cover button. A new set of options will load, allowing you to choose how to set your cover image. You will see options for uploading an image, selecting from a gallery, or adding a link. Next, click on the upload option to upload a GIF file from your device. This action will open your file explorer where you can navigate to the location of your GIF file. Ensure that the file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Alternatively, if you want to use a GIF from the web, click on the link option. This will allow you to paste a URL directly. Open a new tab and navigate to google.com. In the search bar, type Giphy and hit enter. Click on the Giphy link in the search results to access the website. Once on Giphy, browse through the available GIFs and choose one that you like. After selecting your preferred GIF, click on the copy link button associated with it. This action will copy the URL of the GIF to your clipboard, making it ready for use in Notion. Return to your Notion page and paste the copied link into the designated area. To do this, simply click in the input field and press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, or right-click and select Paste. Finally, click on the Submit button to confirm your selection. Once this action is complete, your GIF will be set as the cover image for your Notion page. The interface should refresh and you will see your new animated cover image displayed at the top of the page. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.